this is where we are this morning, down here at Pier 2, down on the waterfront. If you look over here, you can see some of the Coast Guard ships. And we're going to go and explore all the warehouses here, the art installations and that's around. These are all the old warehouses at the dock. And they've been taken over by art galleries and lots of funky little coffee shops and stores. And we're going to explore here for a little while and see what we can find. Nice trees planted everywhere. There's a whale hanging up here. A couple of little fountains. Jen having a swing. Fried eggs in a pan on the manhole cover. There's dogs mounted up on the wall here. It's not the type of art that we understand. It seems the whole of the waterfront area is being redeveloped. There's some really cool buildings over here. It's not finished yet, and the park obscures some of the others, but there's a whole stack of new building work going on over and around the waterfront here. And squirrels. A little bit of a closer look at this installation. It's made with all wooden chairs. He kind of looks happy with himself, doesn't he? It's pretty quiet out here today. Don't really know if it's because of the coronavirus scare or if it's because yesterday was the weekend and today is now back to work. So everybody's away, and because there's not many tourists, well, this sort of area is then pretty quiet. So we don't really know the reason, but yeah, you can see there's nobody around here at this stage. There were a few more people back towards Pier 2, and it was starting to get more and more while we were there. Not a whole lot, but you know, it went from the 1s and the 2s up to probably the 10s and the 20s sort of thing. So yeah, this is the area that we're walking in at the moment. It's still down on the waterfront. Wave, Jen. Jen's wandering around taking photos. This is a really cool bridge just here. It pivots in the middle to let the Coast Guard ships out. Very cool. A bit of graffiti on the walls of the warehouse down here at the pier. We're here at a statue of a monk who on one end of his sword has a broom, and he's fighting the demon. No, not Jen, but this one. This big demon here. But this demon's a little unusual. Check him out. He's got his anatomy has a face on it. It's just weird. Just weird. More artwork on the buildings nearby. This is what you can do with your excess containers. This is where we are, exploring around here this morning, Pier 2. Yeah, this whole area is really nice. It's been a great way to spend a couple of hours this morning wandering around. It's lots of art installations and that. It's quite nice down here at Pier 2. We're not into all of the art. I mean, we like art, we like what we like, but some of it to us is a little unusual and we don't quite know how to interpret it, but we've had a fun morning. It's been a good way to kill a couple of hours.